Welcome to the myth busting series, guys. So, let's understand and let's decipher another question. What do people think? History optional or any optional is just about syllabus coverage? Not at all. No. The thing is, it's just about that we have again, like this is something of myth busting. So, we have to burst the myths around our options. एंशियंट मेडिवल मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड इतना बड़ा सिलेबस है मैम, कंप्लीट ही नहीं हो सकता। और ये बात सच है, अगर तुम इसका पूरा सिलेबस पढ़ने जाओ तो इतनी बुक क्या, इतनी भी अगर मैं बुक लिख दूंगी ना वो भी कम है, बिकॉज सच में इतना बड़ा सिलेबस है दैट नो वन कैन कवर अप। बट एक्चुअली दैट इज अ रियलिटी। क्या ऑप्शनल में क्या यूपीएससी ये सब चाहता है हमसे? Every paper and everyone have a demand, and it is something that we need to fulfill it. We need to understand it, that what they are asking and what their demands are. Then only you will be having a proper supply. When you have demand, when you have understand those demands. So the thing is, they are just not asking about you having an idea, or what we would be saying it, that cover everything, cover all the narrative. This paper is very easy, very light-hearted. It's just about that we have perceived it wrongly. The thing is, you have to understand everything comes out in a narrative. एक narrative में चल रही है, एक narration हो रहा है. And if you're understanding that narration, then only you can excel it. Then only you can exceed it. That you know that what is actually happening, what are the proper proclamations is happening. So it's more. My idea is just you should more focus on rather than each and everything. Go for PYQs and understand that what kind of themes would be covered up. So first of all, you should not cover each and every kingdom, each and every reign, each and every year. Secondly, you should more focus on analysis and themes. And when you are more focusing on analysis and themes, I bet you people, you would be enjoying more than enough than any paper, because this is something which has an extraordinary limit. This paper always asks something for an extraordinary things, and you people are actually unaware about it. हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल एक इतना अच्छा पेपर है, इसमें ना ही तो इतना बड़ा सिलेबस है जितना हमने बना दिया है, और इतनी स्टोरीज हैं, इतना एनालिसिस है, यू कैन पीपल कैन रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन इट. It's just about the idea of enjoying it, the idea of understanding it. And I literally bust this myth that it is just not that huge. It is just not that you need to read everything. जो यूपीएससी की वेबसाइट पे भी वहां पे भी आप देखेंगे तो कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स हैं, you need to just grasp it. You just need to evaluate it and cut short it. That is very important for you people to do it. So this is something I can end up over here is that yes, it is a huge myth that option is too grand, too big. It is not the case. It's just about idea of our grasping.